Good afternoon. Closing arguments have begun as a jury prepares to decide if Davon Lymon is guilty of murder in the 2015 killing of APD officer Daniel Webster. News 13's Chris McKee is live at District Court.
Yeah, Kim, after 12 days of testimony and 47 witnesses, including Davon Lymon taking the stand in his own defense, both sides are now summarizing their case for the jury. Prosecutors started the morning by giving their closing argument, starting by showing the jury a photo of Officer Daniel Webster, saying he was just trying to do his lawful job as an officer when he was killed by Davon Lymon. Now, Webster stopped Lymon on a suspected stolen motorcycle and tried to cuff him. Lymon claims Webster was being overly aggressive and that he shot Officer Webster in self-defense, fearing for his own life as a black man living in America. Prosecutors say Davon Lymon, an ex-con, simply didn't want to go back to prison for being caught with a gun, and he was willing to kill anyone who was going to arrest him.
Daniel Webster made so many accommodations for the defendant, and it was the defendant's maniacal, malicious, premeditated, willful, and deliberate plan to lure him into a vulnerable position and take his life.
The defense has yet to begin its closing argument. After that, the case will go to the jury. Closing arguments are expected to wrap this afternoon, while the jury will be able to consider Lymon's argument of self-defense. It's important to note here that the jury did not receive a specific instruction on how to consider a self-defense claim, which defense attorneys had hoped for. Now, that would be a way to help establish a mindset for the jury as it goes into deliberation. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Chris. Now, if the jury convicts Lymon of first-degree murder, he faces life without parole. The jury could convict him also of second-degree murder or voluntary manslaughter instead. We will have more from today's closing arguments in our later newscast, and of course, we will bring you that verdict if it comes in today. Stay with News 13 on air and online for updates.